Now let's create a pop-up box with the user's stats in it by using the AlertDialog widget in Flutter. And by using the AlertDialog, we can create and manage that pop-up box really easily. In components, I'm going to create a new Dart file and I'll name this stats box. And in here I'm going to create a new stateless widget and I'll name the stats box. And in here I'm going to return the AlertDialog in the build method. Now let's create an icon in the app bar that will call the stats box, which returns our AlertDialog. So in our home page, in Actions, I'm going to create another icon button. So this is in our app bar. And here we have our onPressed. This will be the function that is called when we tap this icon. And for our icon, let's select that. We'll use the icon widget, icons. So let's do a hot restart. So we have our icon appearing up there. That's looking good. Now when that's tapped, let's get this AlertDialog popping up. So in the onPressed here, we can use the helper method, showDialog. This has a context that we need to pass in. And now in the builder method, we can use the arrow syntax and point to our stats box stateless widget, which returns an AlertDialog. Okay, cool. So now let's test that. And we can see the background has changed color. So it's working, but we can't see an AlertDialog because we've put nothing in it. So firstly, let's go to our stats box and let's start building this out. Firstly, I'm going to use content, and this is where I'm going to build out everything in this box. So a handy widget to do that is our column. And the first thing we want is a title. So I'll return a title, which is statistics. I'll wrap this in an expanded. Let's see how that looks. Cool. So we now have our AlertDialog popping up and we have our title, statistics. Now above that, let's create an exit button on the top right. So we'll use another icon button. So a very handy widget. We'll use the icon widget and then we can just write icons.clear. Let's see how that looks. But we need to fix the alignment, so in here I can go alignment and then alignment dot center right. Now that has only moved that a smudge. So let's fix that. Up here in the cross-axis alignment, I will stretch this across the cross-axis alignment. So we've got that on the right, but the text is now by default on the left. So let's fix the alignment on the text. Text alignment, text align.center, hot reload. Okay, cool. So we have our title and the top part there. In the next video, we'll build out the UI of the stats box.